Guys, holy cow, new stock is absolutely relentless, up 9.13% at $5.38 per share. Wow, look at that. That's just today, all right? And I'm telling you, you guys got one more day left to buy new stock before it's too late. And I can argue, even right now, it might be a little bit late. But, I guess tomorrow you can still buy new stock, which is the last and final day. So just taking a look at new stock in general. What happened? Well, we had the pullback, which I'll be honest, it felt like shit. Yeah, it didn't feel good. We had the big rally up, and then Envo car launch, it briefly hit 6, and then we pulled back, and this was all just very painful to sit through. All right, but like I said back when we were going up around this area, I said, hey, we could pull back to 4.8-ish. And we got exactly that. We pulled back to 4.8, 4.7. All right. This was a critical level. I told you guys all about it. And I even said, hey, that's where you buy. And exactly, we got that, and then we are turning around. Now, what's going on right now? So if you look at these two red lines that I've drawn out, this is actually a sort of like a wedge, a bull pennant. If you take a look at the full entire chart, right, we have this big up move, all right, that would be the flagpole, and then here you got the bull pennant, and then we broke above that. All right, we broke above that. That just means we're gonna head up much higher, and we know for a fact that deliveries are coming out in about 2 days time on Saturday, and we're gonna have record deliveries. It's pretty much given. It's pretty much for sure. How much of a beat are we gonna get? 23,000, 24,000, 25,000, or even more? My guess is we're gonna get like 25,000, probably around that, or 24,000 to be conservative. Some sales reps are saying, hey, we're gonna get above 20,000, about 22,000. But my estimate is we're going to get pretty darn good deliveries, and it's going to show a 300% increase, about 250 or 300% increase year over year. That's going to just shock everybody. Okay? So we are already breaking out. All right? And then if you look at the 4-hour chart, this is quite spicy. All right? So this is the 4-hour chart. And on the MACD, we are getting a buy signal. So my MACD here, the blue line has crossed above the orange line. Here you see this little green tick over here. This means momentum is shifting more towards the upside. So we got a buy signal again. And the last time the MACD gave you a buy signal on the 4-hour chart was when new stock was around 3.7. All right, told you to buy around that area, and you would have profited very nicely. So it's telling you again, buy, and this is similar to back then. All right, so do you buy or do you not buy? Well, in my opinion, today, all right, as of recording this video, right now on Thursday, tomorrow, one last day, Friday, that's the last opportunity that you can buy. And then deliveries, I believe that deliveries will send us up to $7 a share, no problem with this record high deliveries. It's gonna send us up to 7, and then we might, chug along for 2 or 3 days, or we might gradually go up to 7 over the next 3-4 days, and then earnings. All right, earnings, big event happening. Some people think that earnings are going to be bad. I've even seen some videos saying that you shouldn't buy before earnings. But really, the 4-7 deal is going to be a big factor here. All right, that's really going to shift everything. And I believe, 1.44 billion estimate. I think NIO is going to break above that, no problem. It's going to beat that, no problem. So we're going to see big earnings beat revenue in terms of revenue. And what about earnings per share? Well, if R&D expenses are a bit low, and then the money from 4.7 is very, very lucrative and it's pure profit, then we could see that also potentially beat. All right, earnings per share could also potentially beat and look very, very nice. So that could just send us from $7 all the way up to $10. All right, so I have this arrow pointed up to $10. And if we revisit, why do I have it pointed up to $10 a share? Why does that even point up to $10 per share? Because we have this huge, massive wedge. All right, this is this massive wedge. Here's the top, this red line, and then here's this orange or the purple line. Okay, and then this breakout. This breakout is just the measured move from here. All right, the width of the wedge, basically the width of the wedge, the maximum width of the wedge, and then you line that up with the breakout point, which is over here. That gives you a target of $10. That's why I said $10 per share. So I fully do expect us to get up there, to get up to $10 a share with good deliveries, with the help of really, really awesome earnings. That's going to send us up there. Okay, and the momentum is just, it has shifted. I mean, there's so many cars being delivered, and you saw all my other videos. There's so much evidence. You're seeing it with your own eyes. All right, cars in the stores are sold. Delivery centers are jam-packed. Cars being delivered like crazy. There's even bulk deliveries. Everything is going in NIO's favor. Okay, and there's what else is there to say? I mean, like the competitors, Xpeng, look at them. They're not doing that well. Even Zeekr, they're not doing as well as NIO. Xiaomi, not doing as well as NIO. Apparently, 40% of NIO's new orders comes from Xiaomi. So that really gave NIO a big boost. And you can just take your Xiaomi order and go to NIO store, and then they will basically convert that into a NIO order at no extra cost. So basically, you save that 5,000 that you place down as deposit. Well, NIO is going to fork out that 5,000 RMB and turn it into a NIO sale. So that's absolutely incredible. So we are breaking out over here. Fully do expect this to continue. So today, if you're watching this on Thursday, Thursday by Friday is going to be the last opportunity, in my personal opinion. After that, the rocket ship is going to be taking off, and I guess you can try to hop on when it's flying much higher, but that could be, kind of a little bit risky. But of course, this is just my opinion. Of course, I all in back over here, all right, 4.7-ish, and I've been buying more even on this dip over here, and my outlook is just very, very positive for the stock. Okay, and we do have this nice bullish pennant going on here, and we've broken above it. And let's just look at the momentum, up 9% today. Xpeng, Li Auto, they're not even up as much as NIO. So this is a very solid breakout with very good volume, 44 million volume, 57 million average volume. So I guess just sit back and enjoy the ride. All right, and I guess what you guys can do is comment down below what you guys think about deliveries. Do you think it'll be 20,000, 23,000, 24,000, 25,000? And I'll actually make a poll. All right, and the earnings. All right, also something to look forward to. Now, yeah, I mean, like, just one more day, guys. One more day. All right, hang in tight. New stock is absolutely exploding. This pullback sucked, but we're over that now. Pullback is over. Be happy about it, okay? As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.